Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's Truckers Only video. Have a nice day.
What's going on, guys? My buddy sent me this video. One of his drivers had sent it to him. So this happens all the time. People trying to cut in front of us, try to get ahead, block everyone behind them. Now he's gonna get out and be even more inconsiderate. Now the lane that he's in is completely blocked, right? So now every car behind him now has to wait longer because of this guy here. What does he do? He thinks he's in the right and he calls the cops. Guess what happens? They come, this driver shows the cops a video, the driver didn't do anything. So this guy, this entitled common four-wheeler we deal with, he got 2 fines and his license suspended.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
I would glory.
Dates, and then you go on a date with someone and you can't think to yourself, is this person actually going to be worth my time? How do I know they're not going to ghost me? How do I know they're not going to flake me in the future? It's happening so often. It's anxious, it keeps them stressed, but again they become addicted to dating.
I zoomed in here so you could see it better. I apologize about the video quality. Now watch this. Woo!
Fucking idiot. Come on, dude. Don't come over in front of me and slow down in front of me on an icy road, you fucking idiot. There you go. Now you're losing, you're slipping. Idiot. Oh, there he goes. He's just, he got... I had a feeling that car was going to do that. Pass illegally in the left turn lane. Another one. Oh, aha! Yeah. For being impatient and passing me like that.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.